Welcome to chemistry tutorial 360. Today we are going to balance this equation. Okay, this is copper sulfate, this is ammonium hydroxide, this is copper hydroxide, and this is ammonium sulfate. Okay, I will show you the two way to balance this reaction. Let me balance this equation in the first way. So to balance this equation, let me draw a table like this. On the left hand side or reactant side, we have here just one copper, so I have to write that, and here we have one sulfate. I have also write that. I have to also write that, and here we have one ammonium, and here we have one hydroxide. And on the right hand side, we have here one copper, and here we have two hydroxide, and here we have two ammonium, and here we have one sulfate. Okay, to balance this equation, we have to look at the number of atoms from both sides. Here we have one copper, so copper is already balanced. Here we have one sulfate, so sulfate is already balanced. And here we have one ammonium polyatomic ion. Here we have two, so ammonium ion is not balanced here. So balance the ammonium polyatomic ion. What can do? I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 2, and these two must come before this ammonium, that is I have to search the ammonia, that is here. So I have to put here coefficient 2, and these two applicable for both. So we have two ammonium and two hydroxide. So I have to update the number of my hydroxide ion. So 2, we are getting here 2 hydroxide, right? So let me write here 2, and so let me again look at the number of atoms. So sulfate 1 balanced, ammonium 2 balanced, and hydroxide 2 balanced. So this is the balanced equation, right? So let me show you now the second way to balance this equation. I think the second way will be very helpful in your exam hall. So how to do that? Okay, so you know that copper has 2 plus here and sulfate is 2 minus, right? And ammonium is 1 plus and hydroxide is 1 minus. So this positive charge will go with this negative, that is copper 2 plus and hydroxide 1 minus. So to balance the positive and negative, I have to put here 2, and then I am getting this positive will go with this negative, so that is you are getting here ammonium sulfate, right? Okay, but to balance this formula, you have to put here 2, that is we need 2 plus with 2 minus, right? So, and if you see, if you put here 2, that is you need 2 hydroxide ion, and that is come from here, so you have to put here 2, and you are getting also here 2 ammonium, that is here. So everything is balanced now. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.